Okay. Okay. Fuck yeah. Oh man, it's damaged. But, yay! I got the good movies. Fuck the Netflix version. Take a note of these around you. Now I just need the other one. I think I tried opening it with my finger even though I have scissors over here. And say no. Hey, ooh. Oh. Keep this for myself just in case it works. Good. Sweet.
This is my own judgment. Got nothing to say.
So I was about to say I got ripped off because I couldn't find the Blu-ray for Death Note, but then I look closely, it's like a 2-in-1. So I'll have to see how this looks later because this only accepts DVDs. Okay, so the first ad is promoting this live-action anime, and I've heard of it because the same dude who's making the live-action My Hero, I think, made it. Okay, so this is how it starts up. I think there's a dubbed setting for what I've seen on the internet. Or not. What'd I press? I don't know what the fuck I pressed, but this is showing. What the fuck is that? I'm sorry, what the fuck is this? And now they're promoting the live action Attack on Titan. I'm gonna say this, both movies are bad, but the first one's better, significantly better than the second. I'd rather rewatch the first live action Attack on Titan than watch the second one. That's all I'm gonna say. So I'm putting it in the second DVD right now. I'm saying the dubbed audio for the live actions on the Blu-ray because I saw on the internet when someone bought this, there was the dubbed audio with like 90% of the original dubbed cast from Death Note. So I'm gonna look it up when I put this in my PS4. Obviously, for so many copyright reasons, I can't show any clips. This time. Well, maybe. I don't know yet. I'm gonna just show when Light meets Ryuki so I can at least say I put footage in this. Because this dude plays Light terrifyingly well. And seeing how this movie came out in 2006, Ryuki looks actually decent in CGI. Because usually you would expect him to look like a PS2 character, but no, he actually looks decent. It's promoting Parasite. Fuck yeah. So for Death Note, the last name, it's basically the same saving screen, but just they added this. Yeah, I just checked the Blu-ray, everything's the same, just better quality, and the subtitles actually look like subtitles instead of Tetris things. Fuck yeah, they're promoting Rurouni Kenshin. So they're also promoting the live-action Black Butler with Kabuto, but for some reason, it's in English! So yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. You can go on Funimation's official website to buy this, or just do what I did, go on Amazon and look up live-action Death Note. I'll just leave, if people actually still want to buy DVDs, I'll leave a link in my description like always. Bye!